Good morning, boys and girls. This is Berlin Biker. I've got some pretty big news. Should I just like go out and just give it to you guys like straight? Should I make you wait, you know, get you to that 2-minute mark, maybe then drop it? Or should I just tell you what's up? Today's my last day in Berlin. That is right. Today is my last day in Berlin for quite some time. What does that mean? I am officially moving. I'm moving. It's weird to say. All this has happened in the last 3 weeks. That's why there's kind of been like a lull of content. Oh, I don't know why I went this way. There's definitely not a fucking sidewalk. I'm just gonna jump a bush. Wah! All right, so I'm moving. I don't want to tell you guys where I'm going yet. I think that's for an upcoming video. Maybe we can do a nice series of videos, things like that. But let's talk about it. But first I need to go to my old apartment and clean some stuff up, and then I have to go get a haircut, and then let's continue on this discussion. Hello! This is my empty living room. You guys remember it? It used to be a table, it used to be a couch, and now there's nothing but echoes. Echo! All right, let's finish this up. Hi everyone, hopefully this sounds better. I don't have my mic with me. It's somewhere in the transition of moving from in Berlin to where I'm going now. Where am I at now? A place that's very cold. I'm glad that fence didn't break. So, it's been about 2 weeks since we last spoke from the beginning of this video. Things got crazy, honestly got crazy. I had to pick up all my stuff, I had to move, I had to sell some stuff, sell the motorcycle, do everything that, you know, needed to happen. I am officially in my new location. I've actually been at my new job for about a week, working for another advertising agency, working for some automotive brands, yes indeed. But kind of just an update on this. I don't want to tell you guys where I moved yet. I think I'm gonna make another video on that, or let you guys guess. Could you guess from where I'm at? It's a giant lake. Some might even call it a Great Lake. And it's icy and cold and all of that. So, I'm somewhere at a Great Lake in a country somewhere in the world. Yeah. Next video, I'll tell you guys where I'm at. Update on the channel and stuff like that as I lounge in the sun because it's beautiful. This channel's not going anywhere. I don't know if I'm gonna rebrand it, Berlin Biker to something else Biker. Joey eating hot dogs YouTube channel. But what I can tell you is this. I have to buy a car, vehicle, truck, SUV, Jeep, something like that in the next few days. You guys are coming along for that. That's gonna be great. I'm going to be buying a dirt bike because I can buy a dirt bike and there's a shit ton of trails around here. I'm going to buy a street bike. So I'm going to have 2 bikes, but then potentially a truck or a Jeep in the next few days. I want you guys to follow along as I do all of that. I'm super excited to explore my new location where I'm at. I'm excited to meet new friends. There is a lot going on with cars and motorcycles and that kind of stuff in this area that I moved to. So if that sounds good, keep watching. All right, guys. Berlin Biker is out. Thank you for getting this far.